Hi, this is William Johns again. Thanks for watching this video. And this is a graphical user interface I had to design using Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. And this one I called Quasi-Foam Quantum State GUI. This is an extension of, it's similar to the project I did before, but I have a lot more image files done. I compress images down to 50% just to have a, not take up so much room, so I could actually upload it to the GitHub repository. But the main image of the background I didn't compress. I wanted that to be a higher resolution this time. And what I did differently about this one, and in general, I put a link into a YouTube video. It's not actually working, but at least that's what it's going to be. I have the address there so that you can see an MPEG 4 actually a MP4 5-second loop video of this working model. So that's pretty cool. I made a different YouTube video for that. And then what mainly I did differently with this one was I put in a lot of, in addition to more images, I put in tooltips, and so that when you click on all the different buttons or images, it has different things to say. So I'll go ahead and do a demonstration of this video or of this program. So here's the program itself right here. So basically, see, it says click the toggle model building block. That's what they all say, on at least the initials. You know, so they pop up there. And then after you toggle, I put also information. So Quasi-Foam quantum theory marries Wheeler's original concept, quantum foam and moderate insights from holography and loop quantum gravity. This one has more information too. You can read it if you're interested. I don't want to take up too much time. My last video was quite long. So in the using the tooltips, I was able to put a lot of information in the program that's not visible. It would be too much written space taken up on the program itself. So it only gives you the text information if you need it. So again, if you look, like say, you put a spin network here, click on that, or it'll tell you the information on the side of it, as opposed to having all that trying to be written down. It'd be too much information. So that's the bottom line. So I have mostly buttons, some labels, a lot of picture boxes, which again, I set those picture boxes to visible false once again, if you notice. So picture box SN1 visible to exclamation picture box 1 visible. Basically, this will toggle the visibility of the spin network layer 1. I did that with all the images for the most part, aside from the background image. Of course, I wanted to keep that consistent. So that's the long and short of the code there for the most part. And yeah, so anyways, I appreciate it. If you're interested in the actual subject matter, you feel free to read through all the different explanations for the images that I have in place. So the tooltips give a lot of information. It's a lot of it was just my own thought process plus OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.5 research dive. And the image generation was ChatGPT 4.0 along with Sora. But the actual program itself, I did not use artificial intelligence for. I did that with programming from knowledge from the class I'm taking, along with some Google searches when I got stuck. So anyways, any questions or any thoughts or anything you want to discuss, feel free to reach out. I appreciate it very much. Thank you.